Hello creative friends! Receiving gift basket is all-time pleasure, but making your own out of love and affection is a cherry on the top. Let's get creative by converting a 5 ml mineral water gallon into a hamper. Mark has done. Cut off the mouth opening followed by cutting the marked area. Now mark dots on folded curves at a gap of 1 cm. I drew the additional curves on the sides and marked dots on them as well, along with marking at the base too. Use electric hot needle to run through holes on the marked dots. So finally we are done with the piercing. Spray paint it. Let it dry. Use 5 mm thick rope to knit the basket. Start by gluing one end of the rope. Seal the other end of the rope with a small piece of paper tape, giving it a shape of a needle. Carefully observe the demo of blanket stitches applied to weave the basket. We have completed the top line knitting. Now move to the second line as shown. If the rope gets over, tie the knot from inside as done and hot glue the knot. Continue the stitches using a new piece of rope from the place where you stopped. The 4 layers are over. We shall complete the extra layers now. Let's work on the handle. Cut 2 cm wide strip out of PVC plastic sheet. Fix the strip at the base first. Now glue one end of the rope and start coiling around the PVC strip as done. The PVC strip got over and needs to be extended. Leave a gap of 2 inches that was eliminated while cutting the mouth of the bottle. start coiling again. Extend the strip one more time. Now carefully just coil the strip and fix it like the one fixed on the opposite side. I have used a kitchen tissue roll to make the basket a little firm. Let's conceal the base of the basket with any colored card paper. Measure the inside of the basket to fill it up with the sweets. Spread the cling film and arrange the chocolates on it. Cover it with the cling film again. Crumple a heap of waste transparent plastic bags. And place it on the arranged sweets, followed by packing it. Place the sweets cushion inside the basket and decorate it with your own creative ideas. Can you believe that we made this beautiful basket out of an ordinary plastic bottle? I'm sure your friends won't be able to guess. This is just one of the best out of waste creations that I have shown. You may click on the link in my description for more such creative videos. Subscribe to not miss out on your next DIY project. I also have another channel dedicated to making delicious food recipes. Would love it if you could join our family by subscribing to ZebsFoodArt as well. Till then, keep connected and keep crafting.